Alright guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how we installed this Neoprene Gaiter or fork boots for my KLX 150. I got this product from Lazada. Link in the description below is the link for this product. So you have just follow that link if you'd like to purchase this. Let me know in your comments what you think about this product, or if you have tried this, let me know, because this is my first time using this. And also don't forget to follow and subscribe for more YouTube with KLX videos. So guys, here's the final look of the after the installation.